Hey guys, I want to introduce you to MyTradingBuddy and show you how you can use AI to help you trade better and pass prop firm challenges. So it's quite simple. What you're going to do is just create a chat. This is just a chat interface that uses AI to analyze your charts, make sure you're staying on top of your trading plan, and help you become a more profitable trader. So I'll first do NASDAQ here. So I have NASDAQ open on another screen. Here is its trading view, and it's about to be London session, about 30 minutes. So let's start to do some analysis. You can see here that I just opened up a new chat. You'll have this analysis tool drop down, and what you're going to do is just simply click one of these AI image analysis tools and then choose take a screenshot. So I'll do one. I clicked open setup scanner, and then I'm gonna click take a screenshot, choose that tab, and then screenshotted it, and now I'm gonna analyze it. So now the image will be sent to the AI to begin its analysis. Here is a long idea, going back up to that buy side liquidity. It wants basically 740, 750, back up to 800. So we have right here, could come back down here to this 0.16. And so what you want to do is kind of run a lot of these AI image analysis. You'll switch time frames. So here I'm going to do a 1 hour one. Let's see what 1 hour comes back and says. I'll do institutional footprint. And so all of these will look at the chart through a different lens. So while we wait, you have basically these market structure ones, chart analysis, which will look at the chart, highs and lows, and the whole pattern. Smart money concepts, which is kind of ICT, smart money concepts. And then you have institutional activity ones, what institutions may be thinking for the trade. And so we just got back to the next one, still long, 740, 750, back up to the 800. And so what I'll do now is I'm going to hop into a 15-minute time frame and really see what's going on a smaller numbers. And then I'm going to choose chart analysis, take a screenshot of this 15-minute, and send that to the AI. And while we wait, I'll explain one more key feature that will really help you as a trader. So right now we ran 2 AI image analysis. What happened is up here, this bar is now the AI consensus. So out of all the images, this is what the AI thinks is the best trade to make. So it could come back down to 700 or 745, but we can still just hold this 750, 780 back up to this buy side liquidity of 800. And then up here on this top, you have really quick visuals to really help you understand, okay, here's sell side liquidity, here's buy side, here's the order blocks, support and resistance. It's overall bullish. If you ever want to see more of the AI overall idea, and remember, it combines all of them. So we have 15-minute, we have a 1 hour one, and we had a 30-minute one. Click on this AI overall idea, and it will open up this modal where you can see and you can read why the AI was thinking all of these ideas make this best one right here. You can see the history, all the ones you ran, the liquidity map. So if you ever want to know, where's buy side, sell side liquidity, just come in here. You do have the option to scroll down within each of these individual analysis. They'll give you a full breakdown of liquidity, where the confluence zones are, order flow, etc. Each will look through a different lens, as I said earlier. So you have, all the same, what you needed: confirmation, risk, and then you can read all this information of what the AI was thinking to make up this trade idea. So now, once you really know what's going on, just confirm with your eyes, okay, yeah, we did see buying right here. It could go back up to this 800. If you ever have a question, you can just simply type in the chat, tell me the support and resistance, or whatever question you have. And now all this data in the chat is within the AI's brain, so to say. And so it knows all support resistance, order blocks, liquidity, etc. Overall, what we're trying to do is use the power of AI to analyze your charts, see what the highest probability trade is to make, and then for you to get information quick, confirm with your eyes what is going on and say, okay, yeah, this is really looking like a trade right now, 750, 760, all the way back up to the buy side, and then you trade. So overall, this is how the app will work. There's some more features you can watch other videos of, but this is how you use the power of AI to become a better trader.